28 years ago.
Oh my God, Maureen Prescott was at the backlight at Sunrise Studios.
I gotta make some calls.
Stephen Stone Protection Service.
Stone, where are you?
I'm just checking your tin can, Dewdrop.
Well, come back inside and stay with Jennifer. Something's happened. I have to go to the police.
Is that an order, Dewdrop? Cause Stephen Stone doesn't work for you.
Get back in the house, Stone. Would I call you if it wasn't important? What are you doing in there anyway?
Hey, I'm just checking to make sure there's no killer in here waiting off you like he did your little sister.
What did you say? I can't believe you said that. That makes me... angry!
Gotta call Kincaid.
Dewey, where is everybody?
Jennifer? Angelina? Tom? Don't do that. Overreact.
Dewdrop?
Stone?
Oh my God.
Oh God, Stone.
Dewey, is he dead?
Yeah. Everyone back inside! It's all right. Don't panic. Okay, outside. Everyone, stay together and try to remain calm.
It's not mine.
It's the facts! Interior Jennifer's house, living room night, the script page. Oh, what's it say? The bodyguard stabbed to death, the five stand trapped.
He's rewriting the movie.
As the killer waits outside, suddenly the fax machine sends news of their fates.
It's a trap! Everybody outside!
Outside where he can pick us off one by one?
The killer prepares to grant mercy to only one of them.
Get it? The killer says he's outside because he wants us here inside.
Which one is it?
Come on!
Ah! Who will survive? Is it Jennifer, Tom, Angelina, Dewey, Gail? The killer will get mercy too? Come on!
Outside! I gotta know what's going on!
That's mercy to who? I want to know what happened! I want to know what happened! Wait for the fucking movie!
I've gotta know!
I'm going back in, man.
All right, everyone back! Stay together!
What's it say?
And the killer will give mercy to whoever.
Whoever?
Shit. Whoever smells the.
Gail! Jennifer! Gail! Gail, behind you!
Are you all right?
Never been better.
Where'd he go?
He rolled out of the car.
All right, stay close.
fast. Could have sworn I hit him. You all right?
Thanks for saving me.
Let's have it.
What the fuck happened to you?
Jennifer, wait a minute.
Who gave you a place to stay? Who are you supposed to be protecting?
Jennifer?
Hey!
My lawyer liked that.
Not as much as I did.
Angelina? Are you...
Tom was in the house.
How'd you end up way over there?
God, Tom was in the house! Are we safe?
Safe from who? Wait a second.